Hi, my name is David Gaeuman. I'm a geomorphologist with the Yurok Tribe, and I'm standing here at the Weaver Creek project site that we've just designed and plan to implement soon. Now, what we have going on here is this is Weaver Creek back here. You can probably see water down there, but it's about at least 8 feet below my feet here. It's way entrenched down in this little ditch, and this is a common thing around here where from the mining era, mining debris washed down into the valleys, and then dredging, and you end up with these entrenched channels like this. And I'm going to walk over here now and show you what we have for a floodplain right now. And as you can see, what we have for a floodplain is this really dry, barren, desolate-looking place up here that's probably 12 feet above the creek. So what we need to do is lower this and bring the creek up by building riffles in the creek and bring this all closer together.